Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing good. Students, this is workbook of English for grade 5 and all of you have to open your planner of week 3. You have to put date and day here in this column. Today we will do how to make rough draft of uses of electricity and by using the steps of mind map and spider web. Students, you have the information about how to make the mind map and spider web. We have done this in our previous lecture. Open your notebooks. Uses of electricity, rough draft. In rough draft, ideas are jotted down. You can make rough draft about any topic here in this way. The ideas which are in your mind, you can write your ideas in this way. Uses of electricity, like where we use electricity, why we use electricity, what are the uses of electricity. We use electricity at home for entertainment purpose like TV, internet, mobile. Healthcare means electricity uses in hospitals, in engineering field, transport and communication. For commercial uses, that is for industries, electricity is important. For fuel, in offices, in schools and in space. There can be other uses which you have in your mind, you can write them. Next we will do simple past tense today. So you have to mention date here in this column, that is workbook page number 33, 34, 35, and we will do the complete work of week number 4 in our today's lecture. So simple past tense. What is simple past tense? It shows some action or work done in the past. For example, I ate an apple yesterday. I went to market last night. वो action, वो काम जो past में हुआ, जो गुजरे वक्त में हुआ. Talking about yesterday. And what is the formation of simple past tense? Subject plus second form of verb plus object. She did her work. Here she is the subject, did is the second form of verb, did, do, did. What she did her work, so work is the object here. How to make the negative sentences of past tense? We use did not plus first form of verb. Whenever we use did not in the sentence, we use first form of verb. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus verb plus object. She did her work, positive sentence. She did not do her work. Here we use did not, so next comes the first form of verb. Remember, first form of verb comes after did not. Always first form of verb comes after did not. Interrogative sentences. Did comes in the start of the sentence plus first form of verb. Did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object. Did she do her work? And at the end of the interrogative sentence, there comes question mark. We use dash form of verb for simple past. We use second form of verb. Simple past tense में verb की second form इस्तेमाल होती है. In negative sentences of simple past, dash form changes into dash form of verb. Negative sentences, in negative sentences, second form of verb changes into second form changes into first form of verb. Change these words to the simple past tense and use them in the blanks below. Here the words are given. We have to change them in the simple past tense in these sentences. The first sentence is the dog dashed his tail with joy. So here the word wag is used. The dog wagged. We will convert this into the past tense, simple past tense. Wag means hilana. Wag, V-A-G-G-E-D. John dashed a line with a ruler. John drew. So draw will change into drew. Mr. Butt forgot to wind his watch. Mr. Butt. So second form of forget is forgot. My new shoes dash 70 rupees. Cost. Second form of verb is cost. Cost, cost, cost. Rafi and Ijaz dash 3 fish. Catch. The second form of catch is caught. We dashed the match by 1 goal. We won the match. Win, won. My uncle dashed a lovely dog from Japan. Bring. Second form of bring is brought. We dashed from Islamabad to Quetta by train. We traveled. Travel, traveled. The tire dashed with a loud bang. The tire burst. Second form of burst is also burst. A snake dashed the farmer on the leg. Bite, bit. The farmer on the leg. Read the following sentences carefully and change them into negative or interrogative. He did not apply for a job. We have to change this in interrogative sentence. So did will come at the start of the sentence. Did he not apply for job? We have used here did. So after did we will use the first form of verb. I bought some gift for my relatives. You have to make negative as well as interrogative of this sentence. I did not buy some gifts for my relatives. Did I buy some gift for my relatives? Number 3 is he saved money for his future. Negative. He did not save. First form of verb, money for his future. They always misbehave with others. Negative and interrogative. They did not always misbehave with others. Did they always misbehave with others? Students, you have to remember that we will use the first form of verb after did not. The next question is write what you did yesterday using simple past tense. So students, you have to write here what you did by using simple past tense. What did you did yesterday? You can write here in this way, like I got up early in the morning, I offered prayer and took breakfast. You have to use second form of verb. Then you can complete this paragraph. After taking my breakfast, I did my school task, then I played for some time, and I offered my prayer. So you can complete this. The next topic is past continuous tense. What is past continuous? The action, it is used to show an action or work which was continued in the past. वो काम उस action को show करता है जो past में continue था, मतलब वो खत्म नहीं हुआ था, वो जारी था. For example, I was eating an apple yesterday. मैं कल एक एप्पल खा रहा था. What are the helping words used in the past continuous tense? Was for singular and were for plural. Plus first form of verb plus ing, that is present participle. Always first form of verb is used in the past continuous tense. subject plus helping verb, that is was or were, plus first form of verb plus object. She was doing her work. She, subject, helping verb was, plus first form of verb do, ing, present participle, plus object. Negative sentences, simply not, plus first form of verb plus ing. Subject plus helping verb was and were, plus not, plus first form of verb plus object. She was not doing her work. And interrogative sentences, was and were will come at the start of the sentence. Was, were in the start of the sentence, plus subject plus verb plus object. Was he doing her work? Recall and write. The helping verbs for past continuous are was and were. In negative sentences of past continuous, we simply add not after was or were. In simple sentences of past continuous, first form of verb and ing is used. Use past continuous tense in these sentences. The light burned till 10 o'clock last night. So we have to convert this in the past continuous. The light, we will use helping verb was, burn will change into burning. The light was burning till 10 o'clock last night. My watch worked 5 minutes ago. My watch was working 5 minutes ago. We studied in class 4 last year. We were studying in class 4 last year. The boys play in the rain this morning. The boys were playing in the rain this morning. Shehla wore a nice dress yesterday. Shehla was wearing a nice dress yesterday. Your mother looked for you just now. Your mother was looking for you just now. Hira slept in class this afternoon. Hira was sleeping in class this afternoon. Read the following sentences carefully and change them into negative or interrogative. He was combing his hair. Negative. He was not combing his hair. Stars were shining brightly in the sky. Interrogative. Were the stars shining brightly in the sky? Students were wasting their time. Negative and interrogative. Students were not wasting their time. Were the students wasting their time? I was waiting for you. Negative and interrogative. I was not waiting for you. Was I waiting for you? What were they doing at 2 p.m. yesterday? Here, look in the picture. He was swimming at 2 p.m. yesterday. In the picture, he was swimming in the pool. He is playing with a football. So we will write a sentence by using past tense, past continuous. The boy was playing with a football at 2 p.m. yesterday. And he is skipping rope. He was skipping rope at 2 p.m. yesterday. Simple past and past continuous. The pictures below have gone on with stop. Put them in the correct order and write a story. Take the help of the story map to write a story using simple past and past continuous tense. Students, see, you know about the story of Hare and Tortoise. So these are the pictures of their story. We have to arrange them. The first one is This is hare and tortoise. They both were friends, and they decided to start a race. Second one, and the race started. You can see the tortoise is far behind from the hare, and so hare thought to take some rest, but the tortoise was slowly moving on. He continued the race, and at last reached the finishing line first. So tortoise won the race. You have to write a story. Setting when? Daytime. Where? Under the tree. Characters: hare and tortoise. So, what happened in the beginning of the story? Once hare and tortoise lived in jungle. They were good friends. The tortoise was slow, so hare often made fun of his slow speed. One day they decided to run a race. What happened in the middle of the story? So the race started and a big tree was selected as a finishing point. The hare was a little away from finishing point, so he thought that the turtle will be very far behind. So he lay under a tree to take some rest. The turtle was slowly moving ahead. Soon he reached the finishing line. The hare woke up and rushed. When he saw that turtle was already reached the destination, so he felt very ashamed. Now come towards the next page. The next topic is adverb. An adverb tells you more about a verb. Adverb modifies a verb. Verb के बारे में ये मज़ीद information देता है, मज़ीद बताता है. There are different types of adverb. That is adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place. Adverb of manner tells you how something happened. I ran quickly. How I ran? I ran quickly. I stroked the cat gently. So these are quickly and gently are the adverbs of manner. Adverb of time tells you when something happened. I am going to my new school tomorrow. When I am going to my new school, I am going to my new school tomorrow. Tomorrow is the adverb of time. Adverb of place. An adverb of place tells you where something happened. The kids went to play outside. Where kids went to play? The kids went to play outside. Filling the blanks with right adverb of manner. The weak student saw the sun slowly. I searched for my book dash. I searched for my book anxiously. The farmer got up dash and went to the field. The farmer got up early. He works neatly. They passed the test dash. They passed the test successfully. The girls were playing friendly. We looked for the lost book silently. The rabbit was looking eagerly. These are the adverbs of manner. Make a list of adverbs in these sentences. After each, write how, where, or when is needed. He comes home early. Early is the adverb here, and this is the adverb of manner. The girl answered the question correctly. Correctly is the adverb, and tried is adverb of manner. It was a very interesting book. Very here is the adverb. It describes the adjective here. That is interesting. The book is very interesting. She will reach the station soon. Soon is the adverb, and this is the adverb of time. They played silently. Silently is the adverb, and this is the adverb of manner. My father drives the car carefully. Carefully is the adverb, and drive is adverb of manner. They needed the books now. Now is the adverb, and this is the adverb of time. Pass here to take a breath. So here is the adverb and try is the adverb of place. Tomorrow I shall visit my grandfather. Tomorrow is the adverb and this is the adverb of time. Asim greedily ate the chocolate. Greedily is the adverb and this is the adverb of manner. Students, we have completed our week number 3 and week number 4. You have to make a rough draft on the topic sports on your notebook, and you have to do this all one on your workbooks, and you have to learn that as well. So thank you. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.